What's up, Catskill? It's Maddie.
And Kaylee.
And here's the Catskill News. The Pep Rally was a blast.
And homecoming weekend was such fun.
So many games.
So many fans supporting our teams.
Way to go, Cats. Columbia Green Community College will be hosting an FA-FSA Completion Day on Saturday, November 5th in the Success Center Computer Labs from 9 to noon. Assistance will be provided. Bring your 2021 tax returns and your FSA ID. You can go to thestudentaid.gov to create your FSA ID.
Congrats to Ms. Steenburn on receiving September's Employee of the Month honor. We are so lucky to have her here. The comments about her speaks volumes to her character and work ethic. Thank you for all you do.
What qualities should our next superintendent have? Did you take the superintendent search survey? Our school board collected input on what qualities we would like to see our new district superintendent. Catskill's moving forward.
Alexandra Hallam's continuation of her FCCLI project about getting students involved in extracurricular activities organized an extracurricular athletic fair for students to come to the library and sign up for sports and clubs. What an excellent activity. Great job, Alexandra.
The Catskill Staff Basketball Showdown is back. Thursday, November 10th at 6 p.m. in the CHS Gym. Get your tickets now. The annual Faculty and Staff Basketball Championship game on Thursday, November 10th at 6 p.m. The game is on.
Senior photos and senior quotes are due by November 11th and baby ads are due by November 15th. Make sure you get yours in so you don't get left out.
Here's Mr. Shah with his weekly address to our students and community.
Hey Catskill High School, it's Mr. Shah. Interims should be mailed home soon. If you want to see what your grades are, you should always check the school tool portal. Parents also, you can check it as well. You can look at your marking period averages at any given point in time. Make sure you talk to teachers and make up any work that is owed, as the quarter is going to end in a couple of weeks. This past week, we welcomed a lot of new members to the NHS, which is the National Honor Society. It was great seeing you all and hearing all the great things about who inspires you in your life. This upcoming week, we have the Out of the Darkness Walk on Wednesday with Ms. Clancy at 2:30. She is super excited about this event that's coming to the high school, and we can't wait to see you all up on the track next Wednesday. That's all for today and for the week and weekend. Have an outstanding day, and of course, as always, go Cats. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shah.
Seniors also should complete the College Board Career Quiz by November 30th to be eligible for a $10,000 scholarship.
Columbia Green Community College's Every Student Matters initiative helps minimize barriers so that all students have options in place to further their educational pursuits after high school.
Here is the CNC Sports Report.
Welcome back, Cats Nation, to the 5th week of CNC Sports coverage. The Cats are just finishing up their 7th week of competition at the moment of recording, and our teams are focusing on their playoffs now. Now here's Gavin with the Week 8 football and girls volleyball schedule.
Saturday, the boys play at 1 o'clock away against a top-ranked Cambridge-Salem team. Good luck, boys. In girls volleyball news, the girls look to continue their dominance in their last regular season game of the season at home at 6:30 against Carroll on Monday. The girls will then have a few days to prepare for their playoffs that start Friday. Here's Nate with this week's boys and girls soccer schedule.
Before the segment goes out, we are playing the first round of the Patroon Conference playoffs against Greenville at Hudson at 7 o'clock. Depending on the outcome of that game, we will decide who we will play next. Just like the boys, the girls are playing their first game of the conference playoffs as the segment goes out. They take on Greenville at 4:30. Their playoff fate depends on a win on Thursday. Now over to Cullen with the recap.
At the end of week 6, the boys soccer team is in second place in the conference with their 8-1 record. The girls are also putting together a very good season as they stand at 8-4. Football is still fighting hard as they stand at 1-5, and the girls volleyball team is still very impressive as they are the front runner in the Patroon Conference and they remain undefeated.
That's all for this week. Tune in to next week for Cats coverage.
Cats Nation, let's ride.
Here's Matthias and Ari with the Catskill Weather Report.
Friday the 14th, there will be a high of 67 and a low of 45 with partly cloudy skies.
On Saturday the 15th, there will be a high of 69 and a low of 42 with sunny skies.
Sunday the 16th, there will be a high of 64 and a low of 44 with partly cloudy skies.
I'm Ari.
And this is Matthias, and that's your weekend weather.
Why do ghosts love elevators?
Why?
It lifts their Thanks for watching. Cats Get and Cats Will.
Oh no, it's okay.